Alright, the game ended on standoff. I said in my other proof it was second map slums. That was an accident. We just finished standoff, 6-5, but he had wrong rules, and I told him he had to forfeit. I sent him numerous messages while in the game. That's the main reason I lost. Spent like the first 15 seconds of every round sending him messages. Look, end the game, and you forfeit, wrong playing time, third map, and I'm telling him, I said third map after we got out of the game. Third map, and we're still sitting here, and he won't start it. I'm pretty sure he's AFK, and he's going to say he went 2-0 when he forfeited second map.